Holosun red dot. I'm going to show some of the advantages to using a red dot over iron sights. I'm going to engage steel from varying targets here, just right in front of me at about 15 yards, then out to 50, 40, and then 100 yards. So you can't do this with iron sights. Because I can do this with iron sights, but as somebody that can do this with iron sights, I can tell you this definitively, I can do it easier with a red dot. So, here we go. All right, I'm gonna do some quick draws at 100 yards. It'd be that plate. We're at about, gosh, everything's reversed. Right there. Another good one. Another good one. Behold the power of the red dot.